Go.
Well, it seems to be storming. I'm eating lunch, because you can see right here. And yeah, if you look out the window, it's really, really raining. And if you hand me the phone for a sec. The vineyards are blowing. This is how wet it is. Hear everything? You might see some lightning and giving you a chance to see any. So stick around. Sure as long waiting for lightning. Should we stop waiting for lightning or should we keep going? 16 and 1 minute? Okay. Let's pause. Waiting for lightning. Sorry it may take so long, but let's just count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.